clear 900 if you're on east. Okay, code 4. Ship 310, go ahead.
70310, code 4 on Verney Road, corner of Crestwood Street in Shepparton. Details on the terminal. Unknown hand in the head.
No worries. 2 miles 311. 2 miles 311.
Bye.
You're just a young child. You've been running wild. You saw the bright lights, and honey, they amazed you. You said you had a good time. The good times always make you cry. Well, bright eyes, I think they confuse you. But you got to see things for yourself. 'Cause you ain't living for nobody else.
So guys, pretty much what we're doing today is it's another skate vlog. We're at the Albury train station and we're looking for this like bowl thing. Jordan, it's right there. It's actually a turntable, but
What if I just jumped?
you know them like, you know how it's like how the trains used to like spin.
You honestly know we could just like jump off this.
Yeah, I'm good. It's the adventure that counts, Jordan.
It didn't take that long.
Shut up. But we're skating that turnstile thing over there. Yeah, we do. We have to go all the way down. No, yes. Hold the camera again. So yeah, we need to go all the way down and then we're going down the that we're gonna skate that. See that?
Yeah, we're gonna skate through. Oh, she's taking my skateboard. That like big. See that shelter thing? She took my skateboard. So like,
Put it back.
my idea to jump these. How many stairs is it? 1, 13, 28 stairs that Maddie could be jumping. If we get the cops called on us, oh well. Not the first time. Don't really know what is that, Maddie? What are these parks for? Like, that looks pretty old. I don't think that's in use. Probably has COVID. There's no one in it though. Authorized persons only. But like you can see like all the top up there, it's like smashed up and like all this is like not.
Your like arm up through the air conditioner. You're the tall.
Shut up. I'm not gonna swear. Don't swear, Maddie.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, what the? Okay. So like, I don't know if you can see in there. Oh, what's this? Ooh, there's a pot. It's like a horror movie. But no, look left, look right. Okay, let's go.
Can't get seen, Jordan. The cops will get cold.
High voltage, keep out, no entry. So this is like all of these old like broken train tracks here. This is when the war was happening. Sorry, my hair keeps getting in my mouth. That's why like camera, it's like moving. Yeah, because you never give me the camera. Because you're a bitch. Oh, you have to walk through stupid bushes. I don't really know. Never come in contact with a snake.
I have.
This is like really hard for me considering I'm holding a camera too. So Maddie, maybe a little bit of help would be very nice. Yeah, but you keep going too far ahead and I can't get through. See, all this stuff is getting stuck onto me because I have no hands. This doesn't seem very safe to me, Maddie. It's kind of hard to stay down when I'm holding a camera and a skateboard. Dude, I just fell. Oh, this is so hard to walk through. Do you reckon we just jump up and run? This is horrible. There's going to be a bunch of sticks and stuff in my shoes now. These plants don't look very safe.
Almost there.
Ow, that really hurt my ankle. Not gonna lie.
Walk on the metal things because then
I think I'm bleeding. Oh, it's stuck to me. We do not swear on this channel, Maddie. I'm not walking through those bushes again. There's like a little hut there. I'm
gonna go in it.
I'm not. That's gonna be way too hard to get in, Maddie, and it looks pretty dangerous.
Yeah, okay, let's keep going.
Can you actually be helpful this time? Because I'm holding. Ouch!
Holding it for you.
Well, no, you're not, because that just slammed in my face. You realise I'm tall, don't you?
Correct, jump.
There we go. We're gonna have to walk around to get over. You move. Ew. Is that a gnome? What? Look down there. Is that a gnome? Hey, Maddie, there's like a sack there. And a t-shirt. Some interesting stuff here. Maddie, we're meant to skate down. Maddie, can you grab that for me? I don't know, I slipped on something. Ow! I swear I just broke my phone. No, I want to. It's okay, I can just jump off. So, there's like this ramp. Okay, so now I'm gonna walk. There's that old train. So, here's this thing. We're gonna make a TikTok. Maddie, we can't really skate, there's a bunch of water. My eye's crying now.
Come on, 311. Come on, 311. Oh, come on, 311 now. MDT's not working, but we've just liaised with the Wallen unit. We're going to take that